So yan po ang punto ko, Mr. Chair. Ngayon, napuput into question yung integridad ng buong komisyon. Kasi yung isang commissioner nyo, may asawa na kontraktor na nakapag-secure at nakapag-bag ng mga proyekto. So what's the comment of the Commission on Audit? Mr. Chair, kaya ako po tinatanong habang naghahalongkat po ang ating mga kasama. Kaya ako po natanong, kasi it seems like ngayong pumutok ang issue ng flood control project, ngayon lang ata tayo na naghahalongkat. Baka meron pang iba dyan ng mga ghost flood control and anomalous flood control projects. And we are only talking about flood control projects. Meron pa dyan na ibang mga infrastructure projects and God knows what are those ano mga proyekto yun?
Opo, can we respond po?
Yes po.
We just want to make it of record that for the past 10 years po, the Commission on Audit against the DPWH has issued notices of suspension. Ang numero po is 8,294. Ang total amount po is 303,679,982,149. Nag-issue rin po ang
Kabilis matatanggap. I will ask the Commission still. Definitely, meron naman ho kayong impormasyon eh. Totoo ba na yung asawa ni Commissioner Lipana ay ang President and General Manager ng Olympus Mining and Builders Group na nakapag-secure ng 200 million peso worth ng DPWH flood control project?
Thank you for the question, Your Honor. Actually po, based on media reports, yun po ang aming yung nag-gather.
Based on?
Media reports.
Media reports?
Yes.
Kayo po, as commission?
Lumalabas po na yun nga po, ganun po.
So totoo na asawa, President, award yung mga yan while Commissioner ng Commission on Audit, itong si Commissioner Lipana, the very same commission tasked to audit DPWH projects. Tama ho ba?
Yes, I think so, Your Honor.
So, tama po ba na may paglabag yan sa batas natin, RA 6713, Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards, na pinoprohibit ang mga opisyal natin na magkaroon ng financial or material interest in transactions that fall under the office's jurisdiction?
Your Honor's personal position ko po, there's a potential conflict of interest po.
So yan po ang punto ko, Mr. Chair. Ngayon, napuput into question yung integridad ng buong komisyon. Kasi yung isang commissioner nyo, may asawa na kontraktor na nakapag-secure at nakapag-bag ng mga proyekto. So what's the comment of the Commission on Audit? Paano kaya to?
Sir, based on records po, nakapag-issue naman na po ng notice of disallowance yung auditor natin. Relevant dun sa mga transactions po nung asawa po.
Next question. Since you have admitted on record na meron ngang potential conflict of interest, meron na bang ginawa na internal investigation ang Commission on Audit patungkol dito kay Commissioner Lipana?
May I remind the
Yes po. Yes, Mr. Chair. I'm wrapping
to
up.
wrap up the questions.
Okay, simula po nung nalaman po namin yung matter na yon,